7 Best Manual Pole Saw for Tree Trimming. Today, we are going to explain the best manual pole saw for tree trimming reviews. Product link provides on the description box. Number 1. Scalabelli 5.6 to 14 foot telescoping pole saws, 4.3 rating out of 5. Blade material, alloy. Product specification: handheld saw, super sharp saw, telescopic pole, comfort foam grip, strong canvas bag. Number 2. Scalabelli 26-foot tree trimmer pole manual pruner cutter, 4.3 rating out of 5. Blade material, alloy steel. Product specification: labor-saving pulley. Comes with 2 carrying bag. Lightweight epoxy resin pole. Non-slip and compatible grip. High-strength carbon steel blade. Number 3. DOCA pole 6 to 24 foot double-duty telescoping extension pole, 4-star rating out of 5. Blade material, high-speed steel. Product specification: 2 great uses in one saw. Comes with super sharp blade. Versatile double-duty design. Lightweight handle with comfort grip. Chrome plate finish provides a smooth cut. Number 4. LS Series Hollow Core Landscaping Tree Trimming Kit, 4.7 rating out of 5. Blade material, high-speed steel. Product specification: includes a 6-foot base pole, external leaf spring locking button, versatile 3-pole system for trimming, tri-cut saw blade for quicker and cleaner cuts, low-profile head maneuvers through dense foliage. Number 5. 26 feet tree pole pruner manual branches trimmer tree, 4.5 rating out of 5. Blade material, alloy and carbon steel. Product specification: rubber handle, detachable design, excellent steel material. 26-foot tree trimmer pole. Can use as various purpose. Number 6. 26 feet tree pole pruner manual branches trimmer, 4.3 rating out of 5. Blade material, carbon steel and alloy. Product specification: labor-saving pull, 2 operating ways, detachable tree pole pruner, high-quality steel material. Come with a saw blade and hardware. Number 7. Jameson FG Series Manual Pole Saw, 4.7 rating out of 5. Blade material, fiber and fiberglass. Product specification: features impulse hardened teeth. Use base pole for 6-foot reach. Can add extension for 12 feet reach. 16-inch Barracuda tri-cut saw blade. Double pulley pruner requires less force. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe, click the bell icon and share.